Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we'll run Pocket Option Robot. Alpha One Trader is a free binary option robot that you also can have completely free. Just use the link up there now and you can download this robot today and get started today. Also you find a link below the video. And make sure you like this video. Yes, you like this video right away. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel right away. And if you have any question, put them below the video. Also make sure you check out my Forex Signal group that is completely for free, that are in Telegram. Link below the video for that also. So let's start up Alpha One Trader. And there we have it. $373 in matter of minutes again. So if you want to run this robot also, you can link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.